Today we're in Abbeville, Louisiana at Stir the Pot. And I tell you what, we're at Palmetto Island State Park. This is a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy the event, Chad. Just follow me along as I lead you around. Oh yeah, let's have fun. Fun.
Welcome to the 7th annual Seafood and Wild Game Cook-Off. Stir the pot today, guys. Y'all come visit us.
Yeah, Stir the Pot in Abbeville, Louisiana, Palmetto Island State Park. Look here, this is where you can get your sweets and your food. Look at them wonderful folks back there, Shay. I can hear the band playing. Hot dang, there you go. She said, come out and join them. This is where you get your little bracelet here to come into the park. And this is where you get your beer tickets. There's old Butch Mo. Look at him there, boy. Look here, boy. So what y'all got in the pot today, bud?
Red snapper sauce piquant, and Danny's making deer sausage sauce piquant.
Oh man, that's gonna be awesome, bud. Thanks a lot. All right, let's see what they got over here. I got a little sweat in my eyes. I gotta see if I can take the sweat out of my eyes.
Hey, we can hook you up.
Hold on, bud.
We got a green rag on the table and cold beer.
Yeah,
if you got sweat in your eyes.
I got the sweat in my eyes, man. Give me a Michelob Ultra, please. They're getting their thing together. Hello, Shaq. Hey. Hey, man, do that again. Hey. Oh yeah, boy, I tell you what, everybody's ready, huh?
How you liking that?
Oh man, I'm liking that, bud. Let me tell you what, y'all got it made out here. This the place to be today. Where else but Louisiana? Look here. Stir the pot, baby. You can hear the music in the back. Hello, ladies, gentlemen, how you doing? Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. What y'all got going on today?
Catfish, man. Fried crab meat.
Fried
on top.
catfish?
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be good.
Crab meat on top. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Not good for the heart, but good for the taste.
Hey, man, listen. You know you can't live forever, bro.
No, you can't live forever. Hey, some guys, that's what gets us. We gonna go happy.
That's it.
We're gonna be full.
Hey, how y'all doing?
All we gotta do is smell. Smell them.
Oh yeah, it's gonna smell even better after a while. Mr. Briley is over here.
How we doing, Chef?
Hey, bud, what's going on?
Oh,
Boy, check them out. Check out the dancers. I know we've seen them on my video already.
That's one of your pictures. We got 5 gallons of deer chili.
5 gallons of deer chili. Hot dang, man! I tell you what, that's gonna be awesome, bud.
Oh yeah,
that's gonna be awesome.
Got the gallon right here, baby.
That was one that you had.
Man, oh Miss Briley.
Hey, Chef, how you doing?
Doing fine. Like to watch the main cook in action over here. Miss Briley's getting that stuff together. What you making?
We're gonna make a chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
Of course, you gotta have chocolate cake out here.
That's it. Let's see what's going on, man. Look here. Hot dang. Go ahead on, bud. Ooh, Lord of mercy. Look at that. Look at the shrimp. Grilled shrimp.
Oh, excuse me.
Man, sure thing. Man, these folks is ready for action. Look at the grilled shrimp. Hot dang.
Shrimp and crawfish.
Huh?
Shrimp and some crawfish.
Shrimp and crawfish together, boy. This is them doing their thing. Check it out. Filling up the grill, baby. Shrimp and crawfish on the grill. Hey man, you guys got it together, huh? All right.
And Melanie Bourque.
Yeah, so you some Bourques too, eh?
Yeah.
Hey man, short family, cousin. Thank you. All Bourque. All right. Boy, that's Bourque, boy. That's Bourque. Get around. Look at these ladies over here. Hey, ladies, give me a smile, huh? There you go. They're all out here to have a good time. And you ain't seen nothing yet. Wait until the dancing starts, boy. People come out here, man. Going fishing. Hey, Shaq. Hot dang. What y'all say?
Good,
What you got in the pot, man? Let me look at that. I gotta put that on my YouTube. Hold on, look at that crawfish bag. God dang, I got a bunch of those hanging on I got a crawfish bag tree.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah, man. Look at that. Oh Lord, mercy.
Catfish coubillon. We ain't got the fish in there yet.
Catfish coubillon. Oh, that's gonna be good. Oh, whoa.
You need to check out the fishing pole.
Look here, boy. Got a little net, boy. They ready. They ready. Life is good on the bayou. Hey, man, what's going on, bud? Oh, you got it. Hey, this Henry Volunteer Fire Department. God dang. Let's see what we got in the pot, bud.
Open up the pot.
Oh man, what? Lord, it smells. Oh, that smells so good, bro. Oh Lord, what kind of sausage you got in there?
Some deer sausage with some little wild pig.
Deer and wild pig sausage.
Yes, sir.
Now, how you gonna get better than that? When they say wild game, how you gonna get better than
Take
that?
it all home.
Thank you, guys.
All right,
appreciate it.
Captain Fire Department, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
right.
What you got in the pot, man? That's an old army. That's an old army pot. I know that anyway.
That's right.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Lord. What y'all got over here?
We're gonna do some crawfish fettuccine today.
Okay, today we got some crawfish fettuccine. Let me see that.
Get in there.
Look at that, how beautiful that is. Hot damn. Hey guys, what's going on over here? Man, let me see, man. What you got in the pot, bud?
Some little white beans, sausage, and wild hog sausage, wild boar sausage.
White beans with wild hog sausage.
We're gonna serve that over some cornbread.
Oh my God. That's down in Louisiana, chef. Thank you.
We got some red beans
Yeah, we got some red beans.
with deer and brisket sausage.
Hold on, let me back up on this. Deer and brisket
Yep.
sausage.
And then this is gonna be some shrimp etouffee we got cooking right here in the back.
Shrimp etouffee. Oh man. Tell you what, the folks is gonna eat good today, chef.
If you don't, it's your own fault.
It's your own fault. Thank you. Oh, there's the Youngs. Roy and Norma Young. Talk to us. Tell us about the Latanya cookers.
We are getting memberships today. It's $10 a year for the entire family to be a member of the Latanya Dutch Oven Group. And we are doing our little job today, getting people signed up.
Terrific, terrific. And this is Roy and Norma Young. And let me tell you, when you come to the Latanya cookers on the second Saturday of the month, you'll see them out there because they have always got some real good food cooking. Cooking with coals. Thank y'all, Shaq. Cajun shrimp pasta and smothered rabbit over rice. What y'all say, gang? What y'all got in the pot?
Smothered rabbit.
Smothered rabbit. Can I take it? Look at here. Oh, Lord.
Good, stick to the rib food.
Ah, that's the rabbit right there?
Yeah, it's all chopped up.
Carlene, what's going on, Shaq?
A little bit of everything today.
All right, look like y'all got it together out here with Stir the Pot this year, huh?
Yes, sir. 22 cook teams and 20 vendors.
Thanks. All right, it's Danny Moe. Danny, what you got in your little pot, man? What?
Well, in our little pot, we got some hors d'oeuvre type stuff. We got deer tenderloin and backstrap and some sweet baby rays. Got a little onions in it, little mushrooms, and we're cooking it down.
I damn. Boy, that looks so good. Man, it looks good. Thank you, bud. Some baby rays in there.
And in the big pot, We got the beginning of some deer sausage sauce piquant.
Deer sausage, sauce piquant.
We got a little everything in it. Got some onions and bacon, and it's just cooking down right now.
And I tell you what, thank you so much, bud. I
It's
appreciate
O'Reilly
that. Mo, what you got going on?
Snapper sauce piquant.
Red snapper, sauce piquant.
Make a rabbit hug a hound.
It's a rabbit hug a hound.
That's fish you see.
Look at that, look at that, boy, that looks good.
Sauce getting right. Put a little
That
zing zang in there. Good tomato sauce. And everything but the kitchen sink.
Tell you what, man,
Gonna be good.
that's gonna be good. Thank you, bud.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.